Okay, students, today our topic is concerned with how to create a prototype for your business. Very nice topic. Of course, you are having only theory. Usually, MBA students has to develop, they have to draw something and they have to present the prototype. But you are all very good in drawing and you are not having the exercise regarding the prototype, but you must know what is the prototype. Okay, that is very essential at present. Whatever may be the business now, everything depends upon your prototype. It is nothing but the design. Usually I used to tell the restaurant, we have discussed the minimum viable product. That is, what is the ambience of your restaurant, how you are going to supply the nice dish asked by the customers. You should have some set of standards. That is the prototype. Even in our college, we have defined what is the prototype for our student. That means boys means how they have to come to campus, groomed, they have to wear ID card. Girls also we have fixed recently the dress code, chudidar, all these things we have fixed. That is the prototype of the KJC student compared to other college. The ID card itself will speak and your discipline will speak nicely. That is the prototype for any business. Whatever the business you are going to do, it is essential how nicely you are going to deliver. It is with the control of this minimum viable product, what we have discussed previously. That is also very important nowadays. Because most of them can't go for a high level prototype. Even we have discussed the story of the Dosawala, the Prem Ganapati story. But he created a nice prototype. The minimum viable product for him is the Mexican dosa. He identified the Mexican dosa as the minimum viable product. Then he must know how to prepare Mexican dosa. That is important thing. We can't simply say that this is Mexican dosa. If any Mexican fellow comes, he will have to know how far this product will be. So dear students, once the minimum viable product has been identified, you must know clearly what is the prototype. That is quite common. In case of your home, you will have the prototype for everything. Even for the food item, you may expect your mom is ready to give nice burger, or if you are going to any plazas, they will give a nice dish, how it should looks like. The outer dream. In those days, my professor used to tell the story about these ice creams. Now the ice creams are very common. Cold storage is available everywhere. Once upon a time in Bangalore, in case of school levels, they used to tell, I am telling in 1970s to 85. If you are getting the good score, we will give the ice cream. He used to describe how the ice cream will be. It is available near our school. We will buy and give. It should be in a cone shape and the ice cream will be there. In those days, most of the sellers won't have this cold storage. So you can't get the ice cream. Getting ice cream parlor is very tough. Only few of them are having the ice cream parlors in Bangalore. But now it is entirely different. Everywhere, even in a small shop, you can see the petty shops, this air cooler, cooling machine, fridge, everything. In those days, it was not like that. Our teacher has to tell, it is like a cone shape. It should be like this. For your birthday, it will mention happy birthday to you, or we will mention your name like our cake. They used to describe. So in those days, we will have a dream about the ice creams, how the ice cream looks like. Then after that, the pizza came. Then we have a dream how the pizza will looks like. So far we have not seen once upon a time. We will have a dream how the pizza looks like. In those days we used to see, I think we saw the advertisements in the Doordarshan. In Doordarshan we used to saw the advertisement for pizzas. Then only we thought, okay, pizza looks like that. Then once we go to that MG Road Brigadier Junction, I think, it was the very famous once upon a time in the Church Road place, there was one pizza corner. That is the prototype. The pizza corner, when it introduced in Bangalore, they advertised nice. The outer design, how the pizza looks like. In 1980s, till 80s and 85, it was a dream. But now it is not like that. That is the prototype. Each and everybody will have a dream that how your products looks like. It is based upon the design created by you and how far the customers are expecting. That is the prototype. And we are going to discuss the nice news also. That is, I think some of you might have read this news what I shared. In case of Delhi recently, one of the Mohalla clinics, that means small clinics, and a group of people made a prototype of that one. That is, his name is Akash Bhatt. He is a Delhi-based architecture firm. He created a nice prototype of small clinics. After this COVID, now people are finding very difficult to go to the big hospitals because there is a fear among the people that there may be COVID patients. It is quite common, including Bangalore. I came to know recently I met one of the Fortis hospital doctor. He is also mentioning same thing. The patients and regular patients find it very difficult to come to Fortis because they are having fear that there may be COVID patients inside the hospital. Same thing is going on in Delhi. So what the Delhi government identified that why can't we can go for a small clinics? Even in Bangalore, you can see most of the small doctors are having small room clinic in different places, regular consultation. And I think 5 years back, some of the raids were also happened in Bangalore. They identified more than 500 people as the fake MBBS doctors also. That was the worst story 5 years back in Bangalore. Those who are running the clinics have been identified. But after this COVID wave, one of the architecture firm in Delhi created a nice prototype. I think you are able to see in the screen. That is the very good example of the prototype. You can see in this image the prototype of the Delhi-based architecture firm, small clinics. This is called a prototype. In that clinic, they mentioned that it is made up of an old containers. Simple thing, the discarded containers have been taken. They have done nice painting. They created an air conditioner in that one. Otherwise, you can't stand inside. And 2 doctors can come at the same time. And they will give the prescription. That is a regular one. It is not for a particular disease. Otherwise, we need all the ECG equipments, all these things. Here, it is not like that. Every month, regular consultation, some of them may go. In such case, the doctors can utilize that one. It is not a fixed one. It is also a mobile one. Mobile in the sense one, any doctor can book. Say, for example, I am a good doctor. Let us assume like that. If I am a doctor, what can I do? I will book this clinic in one place so that I will mention I will be available in the clinic from 5 to 6 p.m. today. And my regular patients will come and visit and go. in which we don't need a very big equipments, all those things, X-ray, ECG, that won't be available, but minimum things will be available. That was the design, how these people created. See that one. That is the prototype. That is why I shared the news. Even the big companies, you can see that one now recently in Acura Integra, which is going to be introduced only in 2023. This car, they mentioned that the Acura Integra is going to introduce only in 2023. They are able to see in the roads by 2023. But what they mentioned as a promotion measure for this car, they created a prototype, how our Acura looks like by 2023. They displayed that one. You can see. It is not an original car. It is a dummy piece. It shows clearly how the car looks like. That is the prototype, what are all the functions it will have. And they mentioned that it costs around 30,000 US dollar. See that one. How an organization is even marketing the prototype. They designed nicely, outer design, how it looks like. But manufacturing may take some more time. That's what they are telling. It takes around 1 year plus. That is going to be introduced in 2023. We are having around 13 months for that purpose. So it takes 1 year to manufacture this car. But now they used to mention that how the car will look like. Dear students, this is called the prototype. It is everywhere. As a venture student, as a business student, you must know. You can see when the new car has been introduced, they used to mention how the car looks like. That is the prototype. Simply speaking, it is the dream of you. In your dream, you may think, if you are ready to construct a house, how our construction of house will be there, where is our drawing room, where is our neat hall, how our bedroom looks like, how the interiors will look like. You may have a nice dream. If you are having doubt, you can ask your dad. Usually the house are constructed according to the design frame of your dad. Dad may have very big dream when he was as a kid. So likewise, everybody will have a dream. So they may have a dream, oh, if I construct a house, how it looks like. Once we started, we used to implement. That is the prototype. So everywhere in business, if you want to sell any product, you must know what is its prototype. What you are going to sell, it may be an app, it may be a nice lab, it may be a psychology lab or biotechnology lab, whatever may be the lab, you should have a nice design for that one. The design is very important. You can see that one. A simple meaning of prototype has been given. It is a first or a preliminary model from which other forms are developed. Based upon that only they will develop others. You can see today they mentioned that Acura Integra car design has been established. The architect has given a nice design for the new car which is going to be introduced by 2023. For that, now engineers will work out what will be its design. Same thing. Usually in modern days, like the music system, in case of film industry, might have known, first they will compose the music, then only they will write the poem, lyrics, everything. Once upon a time, it was not like that. Lyrics and the poem will be nicely defined and well written. For that only the music composer will compose the music. But nowadays it is not like that. They will first compose the music. For that music, you have to write anything, lyrics, either in Kannada or in Malayalam or in Telugu or in Tamil or in Hindi. See that one, that is the situation now. The music itself is a prototype. Even the trailer of a particular film, we are able to tell what will be the film. The trailer of the movie is said to be the prototype. In case of your business, what will be the interiors? Or if you are manufacturing a product, what is the type of product, how it looks like? Because in business, all the glitters are equivalent to gold. Don't mistake me, your teacher might have thought that all the glitters are not gold. Here also, in business, it is not like that. Even all the glitters may be gold. We assume that our products are very good and we are ready to sell our product. We have to assume like that, then only we are able to market. So in case of prototype, it is simply a model. You can see simple thing, a small prototype, how they create solar for your mobile phone, you can charge from the solar panel. A team created that one. I think some of you know, it is very famous nowadays, especially in case of Andhra Pradesh, I came to know. In Andhra Pradesh, most of them feels that they can generate the power for your mobile phones. You need not insert anywhere the plug point. Only thing you can simply carry. This is a button created by a group of students in Visakhapatnam. Yes, Vizag, they created a simple button. You can use this button in your shirt and you can connect that one to your mobile. The button will take and consume the light rays, not the power. Based upon the sunlight, or if you are walking, it will generate few electricity and it will be used for your mobile phone to charge. A nice discovery. I don't know whether it is a discovery or invention. A group of students from Visakhapatnam created that one. A nice thing. And they finally proved that it is minimum viable product. It is not going to be too costly. It comes around maximum 150 rupees at cost price. They proved that one, and they mentioned that it is simply a button. You can button like a device you can use in your shirt or anywhere. So that is the thing, how these people created that one. Okay, so this is called a prototype for the purpose of using whatever the product they designed well. So what is simple meaning of this prototype in conceptual level? Here you can see the definition, a replica of a product. What you are going to deliver, some cases it may be the lab, or you are going to start a new business as a travel and tourism industry. You are going to discuss one nice example. That is why it is mentioned that it is a replica of a product. And it may include the color, the graphics, the packing, instructions. Very important thing is, these are all used in the first stage for the inventing the new product. If it is an innovative product, all are essential. Simply the dream product of you. Okay. Even in case of service, you are having the prototype. Let us see some of the examples of the service prototype. Service prototype means in case of your lab, what is the prototype? The design of your lab itself a prototype. where the customer should come, where they go. If you are running a biotechnology lab for the COVID testing, where the COVID patient should come, we may not know whether they are considered as a patient or not. Only if they are tested positive, it may not that they are all considered as the COVID patients. But when you are designing a lab, microbiology lab, for testing the COVID, you have to mention clearly, okay, you are all considered equivalent to a patient. You have to come this way and you have to move this way. We are making arrangements, how you are taking all these things for the purpose of testing, the testing equipments, everything, where you have to keep. That is why you can see now the mobile vans are there to pick up these samples for testing the COVID. That itself is a prototype. The mobile vans used for testing the COVID in different places, itself a prototype they created first. Why can't we can create an equipment like that? With that one, we can go for testing the prototype. That is why in case of protocol development, there are few stages. First, we have to have a dream product, that is the development. Then we can test whether this product will work. Then the functional testing, very important thing, whether the product is useful for its value. If it is a car, it should run. Then we will give to some of the customer. You can check our product, how it is working. That is quite possible. That is the prototype. And there are some difference between the minimum viable product and prototype, that you must know. You can see in case of prototype, it is about the proof of the concept, how the product looks like. But minimum viable product, it is not like that. It is the maximum validated one. Simply speaking, whether it is feasible to introduce the market. That is the minimum viable product. If minimum viable product and prototype is same, that means that your business is well successful one. Because you might have identified what will be the minimum viable product if it is equal to your prototype success, but usually there are a lot of difference. The prototype, once if we created, we will discard after the testing. But minimum viable product is not like that. It is called as the first version. Okay? So there is some differences. We will see in case of a live example of one service industry. I think some of you know about this one. This organization is Panicker Travel India Private Limited. Just you'll see the case study of that one to understand the prototype. I think these Panicker Travels are very famous in Delhi, but their origin is from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Even from, I still remember first my travel to Delhi in those periods, and still now in those college periods, we used to arrange the trains and we will go to Karol Bagh in New Delhi. Then we will find a room which has been given by these Panicker people there. Even now, when you are going for a tour or if you are going for an individual trip to Delhi, most of the South Indian people, especially people from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and few people from Andhra Pradesh also, they prefer Panicker Travels. Some of you know. This is very famous in Delhi. They are having a fleet of buses, even small cars, everything. You can book it in online. When you get out of your flight, they will be waiting immediately outside. They will have a pickup and you can visit Agra, Kulu Manali, everywhere in the car itself. You need not approach anybody. They are very, very prompt in their service. I don't know after the COVID what happened, but they are very famous people. But I had a nice discussion with the operational manager of this Paniket Travel. I asked, you are very good, how you are going to establish your travel agency? He mentioned, it is the dream of my boss. I asked, what is the dream of your boss? Then he explained me, we used to create the travel package. The travel package is considered as the prototype. He mentioned our prototypes is our travel package. We used to nicely design the prototype and send it to our customers. Then they may like, if they like, we will change according to their needs and make us a nice travel and tourism project. Very interesting thing. That is why when I asked, these people tell me, you can see the website of them. Your package tour is safe with us. Even after this 5th October, once again, they started after the COVID. So I asked how you are developing your tour package. They nicely given the answer. Very good, sir. We will first display the schedule clearly to our customers. If you are coming to Delhi, most of them first ask that to book the flight ticket and to pick up from the airport to the room where they are going to stay. Some of them may book the rooms in Panikkad itself. We are also having very big rooms, nice rooms ranging from 2,000 to 12,000 rupees per day cost in Karol Bagh, they mentioned. And such type of thing they are having. I think. Yes, sorry. Some of our students are dialing. I think I am unable to find any students in the waiting room. Okay, we'll continue. So what these Panikkad Travels used to mention that usually these people will call us, we are coming to Delhi, we are going to UGC office, you can book a room and you can make a pickup from railway station or from airport and we will pay everything in online. Okay. But these people will clearly note down their requirements. Okay, you are coming to UGC office. So you are going to travel this place. We will ready to provide our own Panikkad vehicles for you. We are having AC bikes. What are the place you can see by the time? They used to create a nice schedule and they used to send. You are going to stay in Delhi for 3 days. Very good. You can visit even Taj Mahal. All these are all pamphlets. Immediately they used to design a tour package and send it to these people. If they accepted, the prototype is converted into real one. You can see the schedule itself plays the role of the prototype. In travel and tourism industry, this is very important. In manufacturing industry, we know what is the prototype, the outer design. We have seen in case of one of the car manufacturing unit. But in service unit, like travel and tourism, you can see this is considered as the prototype for the travel and tourism industry. You can see very simple example. Before that, most of them were confused. Is it need for creating a prototype for a travel and tourism industry and send it to customers? Most of them failed to do. But these people nicely identified and they used to give to the customer. That is their customer service. That is how these Panikkad Travels are been rated #1 in New Delhi among the visitors going from South India. See that one, how these people created. They used to mention nice thing. You can see the Delhi to Agra, you can visit. On this scheduling, this is called the prototype. Once the customer accepted that one, then what they will do? Okay, they will give a nice planning schedule. You can visit these places and they will convert according to the rate. First, they won't fix the rate. Of course, only in case of the packing or package tour, they will fix the rate. Otherwise, they won't fix the rate. Based upon the customer requirements, they used to plan. And I think 2 years back, our MBA students also went for a package. That is just 2 months before our COVID. And nicely, I asked, you are all famous in Delhi, whether you are able to plan a tour for our MBA students for Singapore. They told you can visit our website and we are ready to give the tentative schedule to you. They nicely designed the prototype for the Singapore and sent to us. See that one, how these people are. Why I am telling, if you are a new business people, your plan should be well defined and well clear. Otherwise, you can't succeed in the business. Most of them are failed to do because they doesn't know what is the concept of minimum viable product. I already told most of the restaurants in nearby our Kothunur area are failed only because of failed to identify. Even some of them, they failed to identify the prototype, how the hotel ambience should be. Some of them assume that most of them are Kerala students, so you have to fix the restaurants according to the Kerala style. And some of them mentioned that some students are coming from Andhra or from Tamil Nadu, we have to fix. But it is not like that. If a student from Kerala is coming, you have to provide not only the Kerala dish, they will expect something new in your restaurant, not the same type. That is the feelings and sentiments of the college students. That is why you might have seen our town is said to be successful one so far. They are not only giving the Kerala dishes, but also some other dishes. That is their unique speciality. And they used to have a nice design. You can see the ambience of town, and even outside, I think one of the restaurants, this brother's concern is also there. How they used to plan. Same thing in case of the hospitals, also the design. We have seen a small clinic in New Delhi, how they created the prototype. You can see in case of travel and tourism industry, what is the prototype. A nice thing. When we saw the prototype of this Panikat Travels versus other, nice, because most of the students, they have not visited Singapore. They used to frequently visit Dubai, but Singapore, some of them are going first time. But they created a package nicely. How and when you will arrive at Singapore airport, where you can go for this thing. See that one. Based upon that, it used to create some good impression also. That is the prototype. Here is another example from the Philips India Limited, and it is a global organization. They also create a prototype for their medical equipments. I think some of the biotechnology students are also there. Even psychology students are also there. We need more type of medical instruments. First, they used to create, I used to every time tell the example of recently how we are checking our temperature. Once they used to insert in our mouth and to check. Now it is not like that. They are simply clicking and seeing what is the temperature. They nicely developed the prototype first. Then they started working. Even in case of India, I think we have discussed that case study, how this temperature monitoring machine has been identified with the help of infrared rays. After the COVID issue, it was very famous. We should not touch the body of any patient, but we had to know what is their temperature level. They nicely first created their prototype. If an equipment is like this, it is easy to carry and we are able to pick that one. Looks nice. Then the engineers created. Same thing in case of Philips. You can see the number of prototyping from the Philips before introducing the product. Even you can see the in television. Very good example was Sony Bravia also. even though it is not from Philips. Sony Bravia, before introduction, they nicely gave the prototype of the Sony Bravia. Still then, now it ranks number 1 in India. Nobody thought that Sony Bravia will be successful. Even today, I think I have seen in the advertisement, most of them are preferring, why not? TV means Sony Bravia. See that one. Because of their prototype, dear students, whatever the product you are doing, try to create the prototype of that one. You can see the prototype for medical industry. It is essential. It is only a dummy piece, I already told. Based upon that, we have to create how it looks like. In this the medical example, how the different products will come. COVID patients, how to treat, how to measure all those things. Because once, if you are using this thing, we can't throw out because it is very, very costly machine. So especially in case of biomedical engineering, you can see different types of prototype. Of course, in medical industry, based upon the prototype only, the medical engineers try to create what is the product. That is the advancement stage. Here is the example of the Philips, what you are seeing. Even in case of laboratories, here is a block plan of the batch molecular laboratories. I think few students are from life sciences. For you, this is the prototype. You know how to check, how to monitor, but how your lab looks like, that is important. You have to plan where to come, where to go, where to gather the specimen. That is the prototype. That is the blueprint. Blueprint is equivalent to the prototype. You can see the blood culture lab. That is the design. That's why I'm telling most of the business are failure because they can't understand the stages. This design will be prepared by some engineer from Dubai or from Singapore or from New Zealand, but they are going to fit in Bangalore. It is utter failure. Still, I remember one of the very good labs comes nearby our Lulu Mart, that is next to Bairadi. It was said to be failure. They created something which is a nice style. It is purely based upon the European style, but in Bangalore style, we can't use. The lab is said to be failure because the people, most of them assume that if you are going to the lab, it is too costly. And they created a different type of lab. So dear students, you must know how to design that one. You can see few prototype example, how they used to create even the interiors, how to gather the sample. The workflow should be nice. This is not an engineering design. These things you have to tell to your engineer. Then only engineer will plan. That is what I'm telling. You like your dream plan of your house. If you ask your dad will tell. When your dad was studying 6th standard or 7th standard, he may have a dream how to construct a house. That dream is the prototype. Then after earning good money, your dad might have given your dream to the engineer. Engineer will develop. That is the blueprint. But your dad is having the prototype, not the engineer. That is the difference. Dear students, that you must know. Never depends upon the blueprint given by some third person. If you depend upon your business, won't be success. You have to create your own dream. Based upon your dream only, the engineers will create. Then only it is successful. You can see the success one from the number of organizations, how the Sony created that one. First, the prototype has been tested. You can see for the VR, how they mention how it looks like. Before manufacturing, the design has been approved. That is quite important. Even in case of journalism student, how to create a retina I created. These are the few examples. We used to have the rapid prototyping also. Okay? See that one. Even for the computer science students, the app development you need a prototype. How to develop an app, how your app looks like. That is important. I already told the Ola app, how the Ola apps looks like. If you see the Ola app, you can see what are the things, how many vehicles are nearby. It will show nicely, and the small autos, small cars will move like a toy in your phone. That is the thing. They first developed the prototype, then only they created the process. There is number of technology available, especially for computer science student. You can see the blast mic, Just-in-Mind. These are all the prototyping tools. If you give the inputs, it will design, but it won't give the technology. This in your type. Mockibs, Protogeo, UXPin, there are something to develop the software also, especially for computer science. The software development is also having the prototype. Here is a very good example from the Balsamiq Lives, too short for bad software. How you will check your software? What is the prototype of the software? You must know. You are very good in your coding, everything. You can develop any app, but you don't prototype. If you develop, it is waste. Prototype means how the people will accept that one. That is the dream. You can see this is another example in case of Just-Mind. They also create an app, how your apps looks like. Number of things are there, even in case of the collection Just-Mind. Even some of you might have seen in Tanishq nowadays, I think most of them are girls, you might have seen. If you visit the Tanishq showroom in Bangalore, you can select any golden necklace or any golden jewelry. But you may have the dream, if you are wearing how it looks like. You need not wear. If you can show to the sales rep, they will tell. They automatically captures your image. When you are entering into the Tanishq showroom, it will capture your image. Then what happens? If you are selecting a nice jewelry, it will show if you are wearing this jewelry, how your face looks like. Nice thing. That is how the prototype development has been created by the Tata groups in the form of Tanishq. Even you can see in now Kamanahalli also. Usually it is available in the, I think, Brigadier Road, Tanishq, you can see. Nice thing. So dear students, you must know what is the prototype. Without knowing prototype, you can't do any business. Whether you are doing the service-oriented business like microbiology lab or psychology lab, or if you are creating the app, or if you are developing a new product, or even if you are creating a travel and tourism industry, first essential thing, once you identified minimum viable product, you have to develop a prototype. How our product looks like, how our service looks like. That is the dream. It is not the blueprint. Be clear. Once a prototype has been created, you can give to the engineers to develop a blueprint. Then only your business will be success. Otherwise, definitely it is a failure. Don't accept what the engineers are giving. Engineers are there to develop the blueprint, not the prototype. Most of the business people are said to be failure because the blueprint is developed by the engineers without knowing the prototype of the owner. Boss is having a aim. That's what I told you. First, dream your house, how your house looks like. Tell the dream to the engineer, he will create the blueprint. The dream of you is the prototype. An engineer may not know your dream. If you are doing in a reverse manner, your business won't be succeed. That is why, even in case of small restaurant, you can see, just I seen from one of my students who created a prototype in JP Nagar. First, we mentioned that First, I thought how to create a dining experience. You can see how he developed a prototype. He first designed the dining experience. If a customer is coming, what is his experience? Based upon that only he designed. Then where they will sit. See that one nice thing, calendar interface, interactive user, all these things he designed, then only he informed to the interior architect. After that only interior architect designed according to that one. Dear students, you must know all those things. As you are going to start your business in future, now you are studying, after that you may work in an organization, after 10 years or 15 years, definitely you may be interested in doing a business. By this time, you must know all those things. Without developing a prototype, you can't do any business. Then only it is a successful. Once a prototype has been developed, even you can test with the customer, like the cars, how they are showing that one. If you visit the showrooms in ITPL Park in Bangalore or in Chennai, Gindi Park, that is the trade center, or in New Delhi, you might have seen different structure of the cars before introduction. That is why some of the cars are said to be success. It's not only applicable for automobile, but everywhere. With this, we'll conclude. I think next hour, be ready for your presentation orally. We'll meet after the coffee break. Okay? Until then, thank you.
Thank you, sir.